What's up, Wonder Pup lovers? Welcome back to our channel. You're gonna be seeing a ton of road trip content because we're on our biggest adventure yet. We're headed from Georgia all the way over to Lake Tahoe and back around again. Currently in Alabama. I haven't filmed much, but we're at a gas station. We went to Wendy's. I'm very sad because they were out of the berry salad. They didn't have it on the menu anymore, and I love that salad, and I just haven't made it to Wendy's this summer. So I got the Cobb salad instead. We're just doing fast food tonight because we're planning on getting up early tomorrow and heading to Oklahoma City. We're staying in Tupelo, Mississippi tonight. We're currently near Birmingham, Alabama. We just passed Talladega. Yeah, a little Wendy's for dinner. Or a little Wendy's for dinner. Good morning from Tupelo, Mississippi. I should have brought my bathroom back over here to put my stuff into. I believe it's like 7 a.m. Michael made me get up at 6 because we're going to Oklahoma City today, but it's an 8-hour drive to get there. I'm so excited though because we are staying at the Fordson. Hang on, I'm gonna check. Good work. Okay, stay. Perfect. Okay, you guys are balancing on the towel rack right now. I didn't bring my tripod in. We're staying at the Fordson Hotel in Oklahoma City. I'm so excited. A little bummed. I did pitch them and they weren't looking for influencers. But at least I got an email back because I feel like a lot of the times I pitch and no one sends anything. So that was good at least. I found a local coffee shop that we can hit up, and I think I'm just gonna get tea because I've been having weird bloated problems lately. Don't mind my eye, I got soap in it in the bathroom, so that was really annoying. I've been having weird, like, bloaty, oversensitive problems. So, Brandy poop. I got soap in my fucking eyeball, now it's all red. Okay. I will check back with you guys because my battery is flashing and I might have to switch to my phone for now and then dig out the batteries under Brandy in the truck. Brandy has to sniff the fire hydrant.
Walking into the sunrise.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have to charge my batteries and they're all under Brandy. Okay, so we stopped for coffee in New Albany, Mississippi at Crave. I got the Barbie. Now we're on the way to Arkansas for lunch. Little Rock. I've never been to Little Rock. Okay, I guess I'm vlogging a little bit on my phone because my camera battery stupidly died. And I have more, but they're under the seat. So we're just gonna vlog on our phone for now and switch back to the camera later and charge up our batteries so we don't have this problem in Arches. We are in Little Rock. We are at
Little Rock
Lost 40 Brewery. I got a flight. So I got Rockhound IPA, Rooster IPA, Snakebite IPA, which is scary because it's 10%, and Little Wheezy IPA, which normally I get flights whenever I do wineries, but I like beer. I just don't like drinking one big beer. That's kind of scary. So we got little ones. This one's definitely scary because it's 10% ABV, but I guess we'll do a little beer tasting thing. So we're gonna start with the Rockhound. I forget what exactly this one is, but and we're gonna, ooh, that's good. We're also gonna pray I can drink these before they get warm because it's like over 90 degrees out here. Okay, this one was a Rooster IPA. It's pretty good. They're getting warm and I don't want to miss out on trying the other ones. So we're gonna lift up for now. We got this one, which is the Rooster, or the Rockhound IPA. So it's like citrusy, caramel, tropical fruits, and passion and guava. Pretty good, and it's a lot smoother than the last one. Okay, update. So we went to that brewery for lunch. We were there for like over 2 hours. So now we're kind of like breaking out because it's like 4 hours and 45 minutes to Oklahoma City. And we won't get there till like after 6, and we wanted some time there, and then we won't have any time there, but it will be okay. Unfortunately, they got like a 14 top and got really behind. So we're getting gas now, and my dog dad's gonna go eat, and then we're gonna hit the road and not stop till we get there, hopefully. Hey guys, check in. We're still in Arkansas. We're about 3 hours and 55 minutes away from Oklahoma. It looks like we're not gonna get to Oklahoma City until like 6, which is a bummer, but still a little earlier than like 10 or 11, so that's good. We're at a rest stop because dog dad had to pee, and Brandy of course needed to come out and enjoy. There's soft grass here, so we'll see if she rolls. I got her some water, but it's like over 100 degrees, so we came to the little pavilion thing. Do not want to be in the sun right now. It's crazy hot. Baby in the city. Oh, look at the planes. Wow. Giant planes. Oh my god. Those are huge. Air Force planes. Hey girl. Hey girl. Let me play that light. Let me play that. Let me play that light. I think we found the city. It's just, you hit the city limit and you gotta drive 20 minutes to find the city. That's all. I told you it was after that building. I was like, there's a building and that's it. Sorry. Hey baby, college? Okay. The car dealer. See? I've seen the car dealer since we were in Arkansas, I think. Black little check-in. We're still vlogging on our phone, but you gotta see this. This used to be an old Ford warehouse. It's a hotel now. It's called the Fordson. We're in Oklahoma City. We just got here. It's like 6:30. We got here at like 6, but 6:30 now. We're gonna go find Brandy a spot to pee, get the stuff out of the rest of the stuff out of the truck. This is the biggest hotel I've ever been in. This is amazing. And then I don't know. And then go to dinner. Go get steak somewhere, I guess. So here we go. Come along. Hopefully I'll get a battery so I can start using my camera instead of my phone. I don't think I need my sunglasses anymore. It's been a while since I've vlogged on my camera. I'm so glad to have the battery back. We're gonna bring the charger in the hotel tonight to charge up my batteries because we only have 2 left. We are at Cheevers on Route 66 in Oklahoma City. I'm gonna go back to the hotel and get drinks at the pool bar. So we're staying at the Fordson in Oklahoma City. I took a room tour. I will throw that in. And yeah, we're at a steakhouse for dinner. We're the only people outside because it's awfully windy out here. But to be honest, it just feels like a lake wind advisory windy. I don't know why everyone's freaking out.
It's Oklahoma. It's gonna be. I think you might like the green beans.
Okay. No, because they're salty. We're fine.
Yeah. It's kind of like more like asparagus type of green beans.
Good girls get steak. Can have a little bit of steak later. Just a heads up, if you're staying here, the parking garage is right there, and then there's this nice grass patch over here where Brandy just went potty. So that was a plus. We're gonna go back to the hotel and I think go to the pool bar now. Brandy, soft grass.